I always hear women say, I'd move abroad if I could just figure out the money part. The truth? There are more ways than ever to earn remotely. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 real options that women are using to build freedom online. How will I earn income abroad? If you've ever asked this, you're not alone. I'm right in the middle of planning our move abroad, and figuring out income was the biggest piece I had to solve first. It felt overwhelming at times, but once I started to break it down, I realized that there are so many possibilities that can fit different skills and lifestyles. Let me know in the comments, where are you thinking about moving to? Remote work isn't only about clocking in hours for a company anymore. It can be about building your own freelance gigs, launching an online business, and creating income on your terms. More women are stepping away from the grind culture to find softer, smarter ways to work and live. One of the easiest transitions is to keep a remote job. More U.S. employers are now allowing international remote work, but double check your HR policies first. Also, see if you can be brought in as an independent contractor rather than a W-2 employee. If so, make sure to negotiate higher pay since you'll be covering your own taxes, insurance, and benefits abroad. This option is great if you're already working remotely or you're in the tech field, admin, marketing, or even customer service. This is perfect for organized, self-motivated people who thrive on structure. Talk to HR, check legal policies, and use sites like FlexJobs to find jobs open to international locations. If you want flexibility, freelancing is gold. Freelance writing, consulting, and other service-based work can fit beautifully around homeschool and family life. You can offer services like writing, editing, and design, virtual assistant work, and even social media management. This idea is great for creative thinkers, self-starters, or anyone who likes variety and independence. It's also perfect for people with specific skills like writing, design, or tech, and also if you're great at communication. To get started, you don't need to jump onto platforms like Upwork right away. Instead, try reaching out directly to your network, join relevant Facebook groups, or use LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. Start off by offering 1 or 2 services that you feel confident about and slowly grow from there. You don't even need a website to start, just genuine connections and clear communication. Selling digital products like printables, guides, or courses is a low-maintenance income stream once you set it up. I started building mine almost 3 years ago using tools like Canva and my website. And if you don't want to build a website right away, it's even easier to manage sales using platforms like ThriveCart. This one is perfect for teachers, creatives, and problem solvers. If you love creating and helping people through resources, this fits. To get started, begin with a simple product like a checklist, template, or short guide. Use Canva and ThriveCart to test your idea with lower upfront cost. Quick pause, if this video is helping you, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. I share real tips for women leaving the US, homeschooling abroad, and building a life that actually feels good. Method number 4 is blogging or YouTube. And yes, blogging and YouTube still worked. For example, my blog earns ad income through Mediavine plus digital product sales. You don't need a huge audience, just content that serves a real need. This one is great for storytellers, teachers, researchers, or anyone who wants to build long-term passive income. To get started, pick one platform, either a blog or YouTube, and post consistently about your niche that you care about, like parenting or homeschooling, for example. Once you feel comfortable with one, you can expand to the other since they really work well together. If you have expertise, like in teaching, wellness, or finance, coaching can be powerful. One-on-one or small group sessions fit beautifully into a flexible abroad lifestyle. This idea is great for listeners, problem solvers, and mentors. If you've helped others through something before, then you can coach. To get started, define your niche, offer free intro calls, and promote through LinkedIn or Facebook groups. If you're looking for even more flexible ways to earn while living abroad, I've created a free guide called 15 Remote Jobs You Can Do from Abroad. It includes ideas that I'm sharing in this video and plenty more that you can explore at your own pace. Grab a copy anytime in the description below. So let's zoom out because no income stream works well if you're overwhelmed. Here's what helped me stay grounded: clarity around income goals, systems that don't burn you out, community, either online or local. When I started planning to move, I felt like I needed to have everything figured out before taking a single step. But what I've learned is clarity comes from action. You don't have to have all the answers right away. Taking small, consistent steps builds confidence and momentum. If you want a clear roadmap to help you get started without overwhelm, be sure to grab my free guide down in the description below. It's packed with flexible ideas that helped me, and I know that they can help you too. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this made you feel a little more seen, a little more prepared, and a whole lot more hopeful. If this helped you in any way, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps support this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.